Hey guys, today we're going to test the floatable DJI Flip, see how it works. Alright, now I just start the airplane, the drone. Okay, go up. Well, as you can see with the floater, the flip, the dragger is trying to maintaining the balance. So I'll go up a little bit, yeah, because it probably is a little bit windy today. But let's go above a little bit, see what happens. Alright, not stable, pretty stable. But once you have it for a while, it will struggle. Has landed. I don't know, no one landed there. Let's go back. Alright. Okay.